The Church of St. Lazarus is a late 9th century church in Larnaca, Cyprus. It belongs to the Church of Cyprus, an autocephalous Greek Orthodox church. The church is named after the New Testament figure, Lazarus of Bethany, the subject of a miracle recounted in the Gospel of John in which Jesus raises him from the dead. According to Eastern Orthodox tradition, sometime after the resurrection of Jesus, Lazarus was forced to flee Judea because of rumored plots on his life and came to Cyprus. There he was appointed by Paul the Apostle and Barnabas as the first bishop of Kition. He is said to have lived for 30 more years and on his death was buried there for the second and last time. The church of Agios Lazaros was built over the reputed second tomb of Lazarus. Tradition says that the place of Lazarus' tomb was lost during the period of Arab rule beginning in AD 649. In AD 890, a tomb was found in Larnaca bearing the inscription Lazarus, 4 days dead, friend of Christ. Emperor Leo VI of Byzantium had Lazarus' remains transferred to Constantinople in AD 898. The transferred relics were later looted by the Fourth Crusade in the early 13th century and were brought to Marseille but subsequently lost.
The tomb of St. Lazarus is the third stop on the Tombs Heritage Trail. Your next stops are Hala Sultan Teki Mosque and the tomb of Haram, the tomb of St. Reginos, and the holy relics of Apostle Philip. You can find a link to the map of the trail in the description to the video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.